He's not quoting some prophet or priest or king. He's quoting the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. He says, I will never leave you nor forsake you.
Come on.
That's not a guarantee from the church. That's a guarantee from the all-powerful God for your life. He will never leave you. And He will never
Come on.
Hallelujah. Number one, I'm trying to do this on a single Sunday. I'm not going to try to keep it back much. Let's see if I can bring the whole sermon in one minute, all right? But now, if you slow me down, I'm not going to do the job. It's not my fault if we stay here 6 weeks. Number one, the enemy is bent on destruction. You know what the